Hi, my name is Chidinweke. Welcome to Random Unbox TV. Here I cover unboxing, reviews, and tips for gadgets, electronics, phones, and watches. This channel is not exclusive or specific to any particular brand, and my reviews are objective based on the unboxing and product I've used. So each week I put out new videos, and if you enjoy the content, please subscribe and follow. And for my first unboxing and review on this channel, I'll be unboxing the Leagoo T5 Android smartphone. So let's get right into it.
So order this device from gmail.com.ng using Gmail Express, and inside this package I got the phone, CN10 SIM card, and external charger brick. One of the reasons why this external charger brick was added to this by delivery was because I think inside the phone package there was no charger that came with the device. So opening the main box, I get the phone neatly arranged in it, and opening that you get another smaller box that contains the earphone, just one earphone, and the second box contains the SIM eject pin. You find it at the back here, that's neatly arranged, and inside you get the warranty card and user manual, and you also get a USB cable, micro 5 pin 2 ampere for the use to charge the device, and you also get a TPU clear case. So these are what you get inside this main case for the phone. The screen guard reveals the 5.5-inch display with the large bezel at the top and at the bottom, and at the back, filling out the back wrapper reveals the black matte finish with a fingerprint magnet. Leagoo T5 is a smartphone that offers quite a number of features for quite a low price. This is a budget-friendly Android smartphone from China. The design justifies its cost, and getting a combination of a decent 5.5-inch display, an expandable storage, and a fingerprint reader. So I'm setting up the device with my fingerprints and the necessary information. The Leagoo T5 comes with a 5.5 Sharp IPS display and a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels per inch. It also has a Gorilla Glass 4 and a multi-touch capacitive screen. The body of the T5 is made from an aluminum alloy, and the Leagoo T5 metal body is coated with a black matte finish, which is a real fingerprint magnet. If you're going to keep it in a case, using the TPU case, this is the problem, but without the case, it's going to look messy. And in the right hand side of the phone, you have the on and off switch and the volume rocker. At the bottom, you'll find a headphone jack, a single speaker, and a micro USB port. The left side is completely bare, aside from the micro USB card and the nano SIM card slot, which can actually be a dual SIM phone, but then you can't use this micro USB card. The second slot functions either as a micro card reader or a nano SIM card reader. There's also a fingerprint sensor along the bottom. The fingerprint sensor is positioned within the bezel beneath the display. There's a notable delay between pressing your thumb to it and having the screen actually turn off. I even had to try with my two thumbs. I noticed there was this few seconds delay. Overall, the hardware here is very good for its price. Definitely doesn't feel like you're using a cheap device, so I'm not actually bothered about the fingerprint delay. The Leagoo T5 has some surprising high specs for its cameras. One of the reasons being that the dual rear cameras were made by Sony, and at the front we have a 13 megapixels camera with an LED flash support, and at the rear we have a double rear camera, a 13 megapixels and the 5 megapixels with an LED flash support also. For this camera, it looks actually nice. For indoor, taking a selfie indoor, the pictures look a little bit washed out, but outdoor it looks okay. This is typical for cameras within the low mid-range price bracket. Looking at the camera mode settings, there are different camera modes. You can go ahead and test out the different mode yourself and see what works for you, or stay away from the extra mode, or just appreciate the 30 megapixel camera in normal mode. Overall, the performance for this camera is okay based on the price tag. I wasn't expecting much, but for the price range of this device, check out the device, the camera settings, adjust it to your taste. For the performance, the Leagoo T5 is powered by low mid-range media kit 6750T that runs 8 cores at 1.5 GHz and the graphics chip Mali T8060 GPU. Running the device through the Geekbench 4 test, it came back with scores of 607 for single core and 249. When this score is compared to other devices like Samsung and the LG, I found out that the device performed very low based on the score. So the Samsung and the LG and other high-end devices actually scored higher from this device, and the Leagoo T5 performed well while surfing the web. While I was on Facebook, Instagram, visiting other sites, I didn't notice any lag, even though I had so many cards open at the background. There was no buffering, slowness while using the device. Still operated smoothly. The 4 GB of RAM certainly helps with the multitasking. So I think this device has a 4 GB of RAM. It also helps while I'm multitasking, watching video, playing games. You can also shuffle through these activities without sacrificing the performance of the device. And also, this 4 GB of storage means enough space to save your media files, and you could probably add more with the micro USB. So I have some videos in my device, how to play them. These are high definition videos, so to maintain the pixels. Even though I had, as I explained earlier, I had so many cars at the background, the videos still play smooth. With a 3000 mAh battery, the Leagoo T5 is average in terms of battery life. For normal use, to get you through the day, charging on the Leagoo T5 is really fast. Battery life on the Leagoo T5 was not amazing on heavy use like playing games. I tested out the Leagoo T5 battery condition playing online and offline games. For online games, for example, the PUBG Mobile on low settings got me 4 hours of gameplay. I think one of the reasons would be the graphics chip, the Mali T8060 GPU, which heavily handles 2D games and mostly plays 3D games, shorter and slow down frames. You might have to turn down the graphics settings for the latest games. So overall, I got a decent gameplay. The device didn't really hit up, although the gameplay duration was just 4 hours. So I had my charger in hand, so I would advise while playing this game, have your charger in hand to charge the device once the device runs out. So while playing the offline game, for example the Hitman Sniper, got me 6 hours of gameplay. I noticed the Leagoo T5 was hot while playing the Hitman Sniper. So I would also recommend while playing an offline game like the 3D high definition game like the Hitman Sniper, have the charger while playing with the device. So overall, on gameplay on this device is actually smooth. So yeah, for me, I advise it turn down to low settings. The OS on the Leagoo T5 is Android 7.0 Nougat, which is customized. Essentially, what that means is that it runs a custom launcher. It has a tweaked notification shade and has some extra features in the settings menu. The home screen launcher looks a lot more like the iOS than Android, with large colorful buttons except for the Internet Explorer logo for the browser app. Another major thing that Leagoo added on the Leagoo T5 is their own app store. It's called App Store and it's an identical copy of the Google Play Store. Basically, this app store, you can browse around and check it out. One of the advantages of this app store is that once you get the Leagoo T5, you don't need to actually log in to download any app, unlike the Google Play Store, where when you set up your device you need to log into your Google account then before you can access the Google App Store. Although for me, the Google Play Store is really the best app store there is. So for the Leagoo T5, should you buy the Leagoo T5? If you're looking for a super cheap smartphone, the Leagoo T5 is certainly worth your consideration. I would recommend you buy it. So don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when we post a new video. And if you have any questions about the Leagoo T5, leave a comment below. Thank you.